Hello viewers, let's discuss how to invest in renewable energy and other sustainable industries today. Investing in renewable energy and other sustainable industries can align your financial goals with your values while supporting environmentally responsible initiatives. Here are steps to consider when investing in these sectors. 1. Educate yourself. Before investing, take the time to understand the renewable energy and sustainable industries. Research different sectors within these industries, such as solar, wind, hydroelectric, electric vehicles, sustainable agriculture, water conservation, and waste management. 2. Identify investment opportunities. Once you have a good understanding of the renewable energy and sustainable sectors, identify specific investment opportunities that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Look for companies, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or green bonds that focus on renewable energy projects, sustainable technologies, or environmentally conscious practices. 3. Research companies and funds. Conduct thorough research on potential investments to assess their financial performance, market prospects, and sustainability initiatives. Look for companies with strong fundamentals, proven track records, and commitments to environmental sustainability. Evaluate the expertise and reputation of fund managers for mutual funds and ETFs. 4. Consider investment vehicles. There are various investment vehicles available for investing in renewable energy and sustainable industries, including individual stocks. Invest directly in individual companies that are leaders in renewable energy and sustainability. Mutual funds. Invest in mutual funds that focus on renewable energy, clean technology, or sustainable companies. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Consider ETFs that track renewable energy indexes or focus on environmental, social, and governance, ESG, criteria. Green bonds. Invest in bonds issued by companies or governments to finance renewable energy projects or environmentally friendly initiatives. 5. Evaluate risks and returns. Like any investment, renewable energy and sustainable investments carry risks. Evaluate the risks associated with each investment, including regulatory, technological, market, and financial risks. Consider the potential returns and growth prospects of investments in these sectors over the long term. 6. Stay informed. Stay informed about developments in renewable energy and sustainable industries, as well as regulatory changes, technological advancements, and market trends. Monitor your investments regularly and be prepared to adjust your portfolio as needed based on changing market conditions. By following these steps and staying informed, you can invest in renewable energy and other sustainable industries effectively while contributing to a cleaner, more sustainable future.